And they that dwell on the earth shall wonder, whose names were not written in the book of life, from the foundation of the world, when they behold the beast that was and is not, and yet is.
And let me tell you something about the book of life. The book of life is not a book, according to the Bible, the book of life is not a book where your name is written down when you choose to serve God. No, everyone who's born into this world has his name in God's book of life. What the Bible says is about people's names being wiped out of the book of life.
AI doesn't have to be evil to destroy humanity. If AI has a goal and humanity just happens to be in the way, it will destroy humanity as a matter of course, without even thinking about it. No hard feelings. It's just like if we're building a road and an anthill happens to be in the way, we don't hate ants. We're just building a road. And so goodbye anthill.
The difference of this fourth industrial revolution is it doesn't change what you are doing. It changes you. If you take genetic editing, right. Just as an example, it's you who are changed. Yeah. And of course this has a big impact on your identity.
The Bible says all those whose names were not written in the book of life from the foundation of the world. And I've told you the ways in which that can be achieved. Number one way to achieve those who would come into this world and their names were never in the book of life. Number one way is creating new ones.
The genetic editing of plants to contain edible vaccines is well underway. Work is being done with bananas, potatoes, tomatoes, lettuce, rice, wheat, soybeans, and corn. Companies like Medicago are using gene editing to turn plants into mini bioreactors. Lobbyists for the cattlemen and pork associations in several states have confirmed that they will be using the mRNA COVID vaccines on their livestock. Attorney Tom Renz has been warning that there is no law requiring anyone to give informed consent for vaccine food. There are no laws requiring anyone to tell you the food you are buying has been vaxxed with the spike protein clot shot.
They want to fundamentally change the human person and control you from their control center, because through the vaccine, they introduces software into your body.
Big Pharma owns Monsanto, which is one of the largest seed producers in the world. Big Pharma does not want people to know they're going to use food to alter their genetics.
We can see that the children of the wicked are trying to dominate because they did these things before. They were the reasons for the destruction of the world with water. They corrupted the earth. They corrupted the human race. And the Bible says they corrupted the beasts of the field to the point that God had to destroy everything. And that's exactly what they're trying to do now, to corrupt even the animals. They want to corrupt the plants. They want to corrupt everything, because that's the way Satan works. He not only corrupts the people, he corrupts their whole society and corrupts the elements.
The fake alternative meat being pushed by Bill Gates and others is made of immortal cell lines. In other words, cancerous tumor cells. Real meat is being blamed for climate change. And a recent independent study suggests that most of our meat is already contaminated. Using infrared spectroscopy and electron microscopy, Dr. Anna Maria Mialcia has been studying the blood of the vaxxed and the unvaxxed for over a year now. And at first, she was finding the same contamination in only the blood of the vaxxed, a contamination that she describes as ribbon-like structures, much like the mysterious blood clots being found by coroners. But lately she's been finding these ribbon-like structures in the blood of the unvaxxed as well. By measuring the frequency of one of these mysterious rubbery blood clots, Dr. David Jenigan has developed a way of detecting the same frequency in the vaxxed. Recently, he's found this unique frequency in the meat being sold in his local grocery store and asked Dr. Mielcia to confirm his findings. Her microscopy showed that the blood samples taken from products in the grocery store were all contaminated with the similar ribbon-like structures found in the blood of the vaxxed.
Understand this, our food source is under attack. This is unconventional warfare stuff. This has gone beyond just fifth generation warfare. This is a straight up attack on our very existence.